Speed versus velocity. The speed is the scalar quantity that signifies only the magnitude of the rate of change of an object's movement. It describes how much the ground is covered during a certain period of time or per unit time. So when we say moving at 25 meters per second, this is only the speed. It is indicated by the speedometer here, as you can see. But when we say that the car moves at 25 meters per second north, this means that we are specifying the directions. In this case, we are actually describing the velocity of the car. So the velocity is the vector quantity that signifies the magnitude of the rate of change of position and also the direction of an object's motion. Take for example these two cars. These two cars are moving at the same speed but in opposite directions. So we say that they have the same speed, the same rate of motion, which is 25 meters per second, as you can see. But they have opposite velocities. One is moving opposite to the direction of the unit vector I, the other is moving in the same sense of the unit vector I. So it's plus 25 I vector minus 25 I vector. So V vector for the one here is plus 25 I vector, showing that it's moving in the same sense of I, while the other one here is minus 25 I vector, showing that it's moving opposite in a direction opposite to the sense of the I vector. And as you can see here, at certain velocity, we usually write it with I vector. The velocity vector is written or expressed using I vector. In American system, they use minus 25 without I vector to show opposite direction, but I do not prefer this notation. So let us stick to the way we are used to and we are supposed to use, which is when expressing a vector, it has to be equivalent to a vector. So V vector is minus 25 I vector